Okay, good morning, class. Before we dive into our class discussion, let us first do our prayer. So can you please everyone stand up? And Bartolomeo, can you please read the prayer? Amen. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We're good, teacher.
I am so happy that you are all good. Before you sit down, let's first do our exercise to wake up your body muscles. So are you excited?
Yes, teacher.
So now I have here a 3 basket in the right side. So this is the group 1, 2, and 3. So what you are going to do is to participate in our discussion, and my demo will be put some different kinds of fruits and veggies in your group assigned basket. If you are very noisy, my co-teaching will get one of the fruits or veggies in your basket and put it into the other basket. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So now, who can still, among of you, can remember our last discussion? Okay, Elaine?
Proper personal hygiene practices.
Okay, very good. It's a proper personal hygiene practices. Okay, can anyone give me one example of how you practice good hygiene every day? Okay, Bartolomeo?
Brushing teeth, teacher.
Okay, brushing teeth. Did you take a breakfast before you go to school?
Yes,
teacher.
Okay, very good. Always take your breakfast before you go to school. And then after you eat your breakfast, did you brush your teeth?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, very good. How many times you should brush your teeth?
3 times.
Okay, if you don't have a school, you brush your teeth 3 times a day. But when you are in school, your teeth at least 2 times a day because you're in school. Okay? Before you go to school, you brush your teeth, and before you go to bed, you should brush your teeth. Okay? What are the 5 senses? Okay? Marian?
The 5 senses, teacher, is nose, eyes, taste, smell, I don't know,
Oh my God, laugh.
seeing, smelling, hearing, touching, and also tasting.
Okay, very good. According to Mariel, the 5 senses are hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, and seeing. Okay, very good. All your answers is an example of proper and good personal hygiene, and it seems that you listened carefully in our last discussion. Give yourself a good job clap. Do you know how to do the good job clap?
No, teacher.
Okay, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and tap your left shoulder and 1. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, now do it.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good job, good job, good job.
Okay, very good. So now, I want everybody to read this text. Please read, everybody.
Health is wealth.
Okay, children, what do you think this means? Anyone? Okay, Guzman, what do you think this means?
It's the same teacher that says our health is our greatest wealth.
Okay, thank you so much. According to Cindy Guzman, it says that our health is greatest wealth. What about you, Jovan?
Teacher, health is like wealth, like for example, this is
Okay, thank you so much. According to Jovan, that health is wealth because it's useless if you are sick. Okay, according to this text, it means that our health is important. Is it right that our health is important? Yes. Why is it, Alboy, that our health is important? Okay, thank you, Albo. Okay, according to Albo, that our health is important because it helps us to be strong. Okay. Do you want to be strong or healthy? Okay. What fruits or what did you eat to make you healthy and strong? Okay. Angel, eating vegetables drink. Okay, eating vegetables. What about drinking too much soft drinks? Is it make us healthy or not? Okay. How do you keep your body healthy? Again, how do you keep your body healthy? Okay, patuloy nyo.
One teacher sleep early and don't eat junk food.
Okay, according to patuloy nyo, to make your body healthy, sleep early, at least 8 hours, and don't drink too much soft drinks. Okay, very good answer, class. Let's give yourselves 5 million lang. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million. Congratulations! Now, are you ready to learn a new topic? Okay, today we're going to learn some simple habits that keep us clean and healthy. Are you excited? Okay, so these are small things we do every day. Washing our hands, brushing our teeth, and taking a bath. Okay, washing our hands can help foods?
Yes,
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, it seems like some of you are not doing it. Okay, so always remember that always wash your hands before touching anything kinds of foods to make your body healthy and to avoid germs. Okay, what about brushing our teeth? It helps us remove or avoid cavities or bad breath. So when you eat junk foods, okay, there's a times that we eat junk foods. So when you eat junk foods, you need to brush your teeth after you eat because to avoid cavities and to avoid bad breath. At para naman hindi madaling masira ang mga ngipin. Okay, so you should brush your teeth 3 times a day or at least 2 times a day. And taking a bath, it makes our body clean, remove germs, and avoid getting sick. Okay, did you always take a bath every day, class?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No.
Yes. Some of your classmates say no, and some say yes. Okay, class. We need to take a bath always because to remove the germs in our body or in our skin. So by taking a bath, it can make us clean, looking fresh. Okay. So when you're playing outside, before you take your bed time, you should take a bath. Okay, you take a bath in the morning, and before going to bed, you need also to take half bath. Okay, class, did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. By doing these small things, it helps us stay clean, look neat, and avoid getting sick. These habits are very important for keeping our body healthy and strong. Did you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. I see that everyone really knows how to keep themselves clean and healthy. Okay, since our lesson today is all about simple habits for cleanliness, let's learn some more new words that will help us understand our topic better. So these are the hygiene, cleanliness, habit, and germs. So hygiene, keeping our body clean, to stay healthy. Okay, class, how do you keep your body clean and stay healthy? Okay, Mariette.
Legal teacher, lion, cow, dog, vegetables teacher.
Okay, according to Mariette, by keeping our body clean and stay healthy is by taking a bath and eating healthy foods. Okay, what about cleanliness? The state of being clean and free from dirt. So since he says that you always take a bath, and then there's a times that you get sick. Did you take also a bath or even half bath?
Half bath.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, yes, of course. Even you're sick, you should also take it half bath. Okay, for you to be clean. Okay, habit. Habit. Something we do regularly or every day. Okay. Nabe, what is your habit? That's something you do regularly or every day. Yes, Nabe. Okay, brushing your teeth. What about the Johan?
So I always regularly teacher exercise like jogging sometimes.
Okay, thank you, Johan. According to Johan, the habit is walking and jogging sometimes. What about you? Okay, yes. What is your habit? Okay, according to Mariette, you always use cell phones. Do you think, class, that using cell phones too much can make you healthy?
No.
Since we already understand these important words, let's use them as we learn more about the simple habits that help us live and healthy. So now, I have here a 5 words, and I will be calling 2 and 1 of each of your group to come in front and use the door. And when you touch the door, there is a picture shown, and you need to guess it. Did you understand, class?
Yes,
Okay, I'll be calling Marian and Angel. Patuloyin nyo, and once again, ulit. Okay. Group 2, what do you think in these pictures? Okay, brushing teeth. Very good. Thank you, group 2. Okay, next. Okay, group 3, what do you think this picture shows?
Showering.
Taking a bath. Showering. It's a taking a bath. Okay, thank you, Jovan. According to Jovan, it's a taking a bath to pay for clean. Okay, next group.
Washing your hands, make sure to make it clean picture.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Sisa, washing hands.
Kanang pula ko nito.
Okay. What? This picture is show.
Ano picture? Mga bata picture, kinakunin sila.
Okay, according to Angel, the children are picking up in trash or it's, let us say it, keep our surrounding clean. Okay, what about this? Okay, according to Montenegro, it's a healthy, eating healthy foods. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. So give yourselves a 3 clap. Thank you. Now class, based on activity, what do you think is our lesson today? Okay, based on activity, what do you think is our lesson today? Okay, patuloy nyo.
One picture, current health status and body awareness.
Exactly. Our topic today is all about current health status and body awareness. Are you ready to learn a new topic?
Yes, teacher.
But before that, let us read first our objectives. So kindly everyone, please read.
Identify the importance of personal hygiene in maintaining good health. Perform proper hand washing and body care correctly and demonstrate willingness to maintain cleanliness and body awareness by practicing healthy habits.
Okay, thank you. So today we will learn about the current health status and body awareness. So current health status means how healthy you are right now. How healthy you are right now, it includes how you feel, your energy level, if you are sick or not, and how well your body works every day. So it means that when you are healthy right now, or you feel sick or energy, we talk it. We will learn it and how to avoid getting sick. Did you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. How do you feel today, class? Do you have enough energy to play and learn?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. How do you keep your body clean and healthy every day?
Why? I feel a little bit teacher.
Okay, I feel good. Do you have enough energy to play?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. How do you keep your body clean and healthy every day? Okay, Marielle.
We take vegetables, teacher, then take a bath, then brush my teeth.
Okay, thank you, Marielle. Keep your body clean and healthy. Take a bath. Eat healthy foods and sleep at least 8 hours. Okay. Try to keep yourself at 2 million clock.
1 million.
2 million! 3 million!
Okay, today I will share to you the basic body awareness. So these are the brushing teeth, bathing, hand washing, and teeth rubbing clean and eating healthy foods. So we will be discussing it later on. Okay, now I have here a short video, and I want you to observe the personal hygiene and body care practices. Okay, because I have a question after you watch the video. Based on the video, what body practices he did. Okay, back to that now.